Hello everyone, you're welcome to Be Creative Africa Designs YouTube channel. Right here, from now onwards, we'll be going through architecture design concepts, architecture building design concepts, as well as architecture remodeling building projects from architecture students and professionals all around the world. So if you would like to be a part of what we are doing here, I want you to engage on this YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, share, and spread the good news to your friends and loved ones. I'll be putting in the email address where you can send in your questions, you can send in your projects that we'll be talking about on this YouTube channel. So do well to stay tuned, and we'll bring you with lots of exciting design projects. Bye.